Now, for many people don't know this, for bloating or fat, high quality, high grade pu'er tea that is available in either cakes, fermented, or in loose tea, just the dry tea, but it's also fermented, the tea. And it is nice to make the tea in an original Yunnan pot, quality, not the cheap ones. And what the pu'er can do is it regulates, cleans and affects the metabolism. Some people use pu'er as an alternative to coffee, because when you rely on coffee, and I'm not a coffee drinker, I already have a high level metabolism, I can't. When you rely on coffee, it's a metabolism issue, because the coffee, you pay a price in terms of the adrenal glands. It really whips up the kidneys and adrenal glands. And then afterwards you come down, because it's the effect of the coffee, which is a kind of, it's a drug really, in a way. It has this effect that where the body comes to rely on the effect from outside. Well, you can substitute, people do substitute pu'er tea for coffee, and that is that it has a similar invigorating effect without extracting a price from the adrenal glands. It doesn't make that effect on the adrenal glands, and over time it has an effect on the metabolism where I wouldn't exactly say fat burner, that's wrong, that's a misleading statement, but I have used it, my friends have used it, and it actually worked in terms of the bloating and the fat and reducing fat, because the pu'er, we use only the fermented, but you can also have the green non-fermented leaves, and it worked. That's all I can say privately, because no one can tell anyone else what to do or how to live or what to eat or what to drink. It's because people's metabolisms are different, they're varied, and so that's why I say research, find out, and find out for yourself.